me have your attention, please. Welcome. This is St. Louis, Missouri. Going to be arriving at the St. Louis terminal here in just a couple minutes. You folks need to remain seated until this coach comes to a complete stop at the terminal. Those passengers who are concluding your trip here or making connections, you need to make sure to reclaim your personal carry-on items. You need to also have your claim check ready for the baggage agent to reclaim your luggage at the side of the coach. Connecting passengers, you need to take your luggage with you to your connecting coach. It is your responsibility to transfer your luggage at all transfer points. For those of you who are continuing on this schedule and holding reboarding check number 240, we're going to service this coach and we're going to make a driver change here. We're going to need you to exit the coach. Before you exit the coach, we need you to remove your personal carry-on items from the floors. You can leave your personal carry-on items on board if you wish, either in your seats or in the overhead rack. You're going to need your reboarding check and your ticket. This schedule will reboard inside the terminal at door number 9 with a 6:15 departure time. That is 6:15 local time, folks. You need to be at door number 9 to depart at 6:15. Again, you need to remove your personal carry-on items from the floors. You need to have your reboarding check number 240 and your ticket with you. The schedule again will reboard at door number 9 with a 6:15 local time departure time. For those of you who smoke, St. Louis has a designated smoking area. You need to proceed to the front of the building to the taxi stand to do your cigarette smoking, please. Again, you need to proceed to the taxi stand area to do your cigarette smoking, please. Folks want to watch your step on the part of this coach. We hope that yours has been a pleasant trip, and we thank you again for traveling Greyhound Services. This is St. Louis, Missouri.